In this episode, Megan realizes that getting her hands sticky is actually kind of fun.
It's kind of fun.
She finally gets the stove to work, opens up her pores,
See, it opens your pores.
and delivers us a very juicy piece of
This will
meatloaf.
be your piece.
Oh my lord.
There we go. Hi guys, welcome to my second episode. Today we're going to be making the keto turkey meatloaf, and it's a super easy, healthy option to make when you don't know what to make. So hope you enjoy it. Okay, so we're going to start with the ground turkey. And originally we had said 1 pound, but I think we're going to do 1.5 pounds. So I think it'll just give you more. And
Give you more what?
give you more meatloaf. And it just seems like it makes more sense.
It makes a lot of sense.
If you only have 1 pound, obviously it'll work because we've done it with both. But I like it to be a little more meaty. So it's an option for everybody.
Meaty's always good.
And Costco sells it in 1.5 pounds. Trader Joe's sells it in 1 pound. So if you get it from Costco, then you already have 1.5 anyways. So start with the turkey. And usually I go ahead and put the egg in first. And mix it in. And your hands get really sticky. But it's kind of fun. Okay, and then I like to add the mushrooms. I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands.
Washing hands is good, man.
Yeah, I don't know. I like to wash them 25 times when I'm making, because I can't stand anything on them. Okay. So we'll just add. Oh, it's because I had coffee today.
Oh. Have some coffee every time.
Coffee helps everything.
Yeah, it does.
And we have our new latte maker, so.
Oh, yeah.
That was another life-changing moment. Okay. And we'll do 375 for about 50 minutes, 45 to 50 minutes. Mushrooms are chopped. Now we're going to mix those in. And like I was saying, you can leave out something if you don't want it in there, or if you have a kid that's will not eat something like mushrooms, but our kids didn't even notice when they were in there and cooked up in there. So it's a way to sneak in vegetables to the kids.
You're right. That's a really good point.
I like to sneak them in there.
Sneaky little cook.
It works.
It does.
Okay, garlic.
Oh, look at those little measuring tools.
These are super cute. Target. I would say Target's kind of a go-to. Well.
You got it. There you go.
Yeah. That takes a lot of effort.
You must work out, Megan.
I do. I have a really good trainer. The best. Okay. And a splash of
Worcestershire sauce.
Yeah, that. Worcestershire.
Probably
open it first. Let's see. And I gave everybody the measurements, but I just tend to eyeball it sometimes. A little spinach. And spinach is always pre-washed, so you don't have to wash it. Unlike lettuce. I mean, check the bag, but usually they're always. And you can serve this with We're gonna do potatoes today, red potatoes. Or you can do rice, quinoa, you know, anything that you want to sub in. Okay. Here's some parsley. I usually like flat leaf parsley. So there's different kinds.
So that's not the right kind?
This is not, but they all work. It's a flat one.
That's why you don't send a guy to the store for.
No, you get an A for effort, but there's not much difference, but okay, parsley's in, and we're almost done. That's how fast and easy it is. Sun-dried tomatoes.
Where'd you get those?
These are Trader Joe's.
Oh, nice.
Everything I get is either, oh, I think I told you guys, Trader Joe's or Costco. Except they do not have this
Worcestershire sauce
at Trader Joe's. Maybe one day, but okay. Oh, my favorite thing we're missing.
What's that?
Feta cheese. This is the same container and it's almost gone. And it was full on the last episode.
That's last week.
Yeah. So that's pretty quick.
Yeah. That's a lot of feta.
Yeah, we did about a cup. That's not even a full cup, but you guys want to do a full cup or... Okay. Splash of half and half.
That, yeah.
Now, if you don't have half and half and you want to do cream is fine. Heavy cream. I mean, or even a splash of milk, but...
You have to look in the lens.
This is the first option.
Not at me.
All right. Okay. And we're good now. We're going to put it in the pan. And I almost forgot all the spices.
Oh, yeah, your magic drawer. Let's see it.
My favorite magic drawer.
The magic spice drawer.
And we did the salt, pepper, and garlic blend from Hinders. And then the oregano. And this is a new one from Trader Joe's. We're going to top on the very top at the end.
What is that?
It's called Italian style sofrito. Now it's like a seasonal item there, so if you can find it, you're really lucky.
Oh, yeah.
And you might want to grab a few. And like I said, you would normally measure, but I've just made it quite a few times that...
Whoa, how much are you putting in there? Approximately.
Approximately a tablespoon.
That's always a good safe.
But it's all written down in the recipe, so...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you can just go off of that.
Or you can always message and ask.
Or you can DM me and message. Okay. Now...
What is that, Megan?
That's a little olive oil. To kind of help it not stick. It doesn't usually stick, but just a little bit. And then you just plop it in the pan. Now that half pound of turkey just makes it much more full. And then you can hopefully like feed a little small family.
Oh, nose tickle, Megan.
Nose tickle.
I saw all the spices.
It's not Corona, right?
It's the spices.
Oh, the spices.
Wow, that makes it full.
Yeah, that makes it much more full. Okay.
Is the oven preheated?
Nope. Well, we'll preheat it right now.
Is there anything inside that oven?
Usually, but no.
Well, that's good news.
I was kind of ready. Just kind of. And then we're going to top with the ketchup. This is the Hunt's no fructose corn syrup, like natural one.
Oh yeah. We want as little sugar as possible, right?
Yes. And especially the fake kind of sugar. High fructose corn syrup is like the worst thing ever. And this is when we're going to use the... I'm kind of sad because this is almost empty. If anybody finds it, let me know.
Or order it online.
No, they don't have it. Maybe eBay. Okay, now we're going to put it in for the 45.
How long are you going to cook it for?
Well, it's not quite preheated, so we're going to wait a minute.
But it's going to be what?
We're going to do 375 for 45 minutes. Okay, so it's finally at 375. And we'll stick it in for... We'll do 50 minutes, and then I'm going to check it. Oops. It's not 50.
It's not.
Oh, boy. 50. And then I'm going to check it at 40.
You're a smart person.
Thanks.
So,
I do know math.
Were you going to add something to the meatloaf today?
Yeah, we're going to do the mashed red potatoes.
Which will definitely not make it keto anymore.
No, well, but the red potatoes are fine for keto. You just don't want to like have a ton of them.
Okay.
But the red is the only kind that is actually keto friendly.
Oh, gotcha.
And then with red potatoes, you can leave the skin on, which is nice in mashed potatoes.
Well, what if somebody doesn't like mashed potatoes, Megan?
If you don't like mashed potatoes, then you can do quinoa, rice, salad, or you can just have it by itself.
Yeah.
So there's like tons of options.
But we love our mashed potatoes.
All potatoes, any kind.
Yeah.
I would eat them breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Literally.
You would? I didn't know that about you.
Oh yeah, I love it.
You learn something every day.
That's why I like Russian food so much.
Yeah.
Because you guys like potatoes.
We like starches.
Perfect.
What do we like?
Starches.
Starches. Serious starches.
Super serious. Okay. You just want to cube them before boiling. And while I'm usually chopping, I like to get the water and bring it to boil. So by the time you're done chopping, then the water's boiling.
Mm-hmm.
Make sense?
Oh yeah.
Which I'm not doing right now, just to show you guys this. So you just want to be careful that this doesn't splash up like that in your face. Or spill everywhere like that. And these take like maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, now these are done. And you can poke them to see if they're soft.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, can't forget that. See, it opens your pores. Like you're at the spa. Now you just shake the water out and then dump it back in that pan. And then you want to get butter.
We love butter.
Oh, butter's good.
Butter makes everything good.
Not just like imitation butter, you want the real butter.
The real butter.
Real butter. Okay. So the key to making them creamy is half and half, or cream, or milk if you don't have any of those.
We gotta get that in there.
Of course, we always have to get the garlic. You don't need very much garlic though.
Yeah, and that's an option.
It is, yeah. And then the garlic salt again. And then I always put thyme.
Thyme?
And
Time to what?
thyme in potatoes is really, really good.
Is it time to party or time to eat some potatoes?
Time to eat. I'm really hungry, are you? Oh, and then we almost forgot the hinders. We'll do a little bit of that. All right, the moment of truth. There we have it. And let's cut it up and see what it looks like, huh?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. All right.
Oh, look at the juices.
It's very,
Jeez.
very juicy.
Wow.
This will be your piece.
Oh my lord.
There we go.
That is so much juice. I love the juicy meatloaf.
Good. I'm glad you like
Don't
it.
you like juicy things too?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And then we'll give it a try.
Get the mashed potatoes out.
Okay. And they're nice and creamy. All right, now we have an easy, healthy, good dinner. Not straight out of a box. You can make it yourself. Oh God, hold on. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight we're gonna make the turkey meatloaf. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Oh shit.